Hey, today we're looking at ITS's, or Information Transport Solutions, high performance, safer school solution. ITS has got offices across Alabama, and here we're going to show you how we integrate different pieces of technology to create a better learning environment, as well as a safer environment for all those in a school environment.
All right, so the components on this demo are Panasonic cameras. We've got two different types of phones running two different phone systems behind it, showing that all that can integrate. It doesn't have to be Cisco Call Manager there. We've got an iPad here that can show different apps, the camera views, the state of these doors, door locks, sensors, alerts that come across, trigger alerts, that kind of thing. And the same thing with the iPhone, which also mirrors this Extron panel. So this is the user interface for the control of all this, or one of them anyway. So the IP phones can also trigger these alerts we're going to go over, and do other common functionality like open a door, that kind of thing. Then we've got two doors we've built to show access control functionality, and scanners for this, and they function differently based on what kind of alert is triggered. So if you're in a lockdown state, certain scanners, certain fobs won't open the doors at that time. If there's a fire alarm triggered, all doors become unlocked for emergency personnel, that kind of thing.
All right, so this part of the demo solution is showing off some of the fixtures and lighting or other controls that would be utilized, one in to create a better learning environment, but then two, also as part of that safety and security solution. So here we have a 2x2 architectural troffer that incorporates both tunable white lighting as well as RGB amber indicator lights for visualization of events. We've just got a 4-inch linear slot fixture here, motion, daylight, and temperature sensor, visible RGB beacon light, as well as with audible indicator here in the front, and a basic scene control station, and as well as a touchscreen control station, so we can show off some of the different functionalities of the system.
All right, so we're going to kick off a tornado alert from the alerts page, and again, this can be done from a soft key on a phone as well, or from a cell phone that can mirror both of these interfaces. So tornado trigger alert, yes.
This is a drill.
All right, so let's go over what all's happening here with just one press of the button there. So this is a two-way communicator IP clock with also that also has text. So we've got text and audio coming out of this guy. Both phones are doing that, showing that same text alert and audio coming out of the speaker. The touchscreens respond and show you the current status. So notice it's saying a tornado alert has been issued. The option to clear that. The doors respond appropriately. In this case, a tornado doesn't change the state of them like a fire or a lockdown does. And then the Igor lighting system, we've got different colors set for different alerts. So in this case, tornado's blue, so we've got a flashing blue there, blue spiral for the beacon, and so some other features on this touchscreen that's totally customizable to the customer's liking here. So this is a map that's set up with rear door, office door access, and control of the lights. So hear those unlock, but that does a pulse, basically simulating a exit button press for the doors, and gives feedback on those buttons, so that goes green. And that could control a group of doors or a group of lights. So demoing the lighting. So the box light to the right of the 2x2. So that's turning that off. And again, that could be a whole room full of lights. And just like the doors, you see feedback on that to know what's on and what's off. So they're showing the door access with a fob, but now what I want to show is if you enter alert like a lockdown, set that off.
This is a drill. Lockdown. Lockdown.
There's a call to my cell phone
This is a drill. Lockdown.
with that same message. And notice now the doors will not allow me to unlock with certain fobs because there's a lockdown going on.